Well, today we're going to look at subtraction of fractions. So we're going to start with an example. Here I have a problem, and here it is. It's going to be 3/4 subtract 2/4. So we can see 3/4 and we can see 2/4. What do you think the answer would be? Well, we can start by starting with our 3/4 here, because that's the number we're starting with, the fraction that we're starting with, There is our 3/4. And it's asking us to subtract 2/4. So 1/4 subtracted away there, and 2/4 subtracted away there. What have we got left? 1/4. And remember, just like yesterday, the denominator stays the same, because it's still 4/4 that would make up the whole. But 3 take away 2 is 1. 3/4 take away 2/4 is 1/4. Now, with that in mind, let's have a go at these questions. Take a look at those. Can you see them? Hopefully you can. If you struggling to see them, maybe pause the video. Have a go at those. See how we get on. So, we're now going to look at subtracting fractions where the denominator isn't the same. A little bit trickier. So, let's start with this one. It says 1/4 subtract 1/16. Now, I'd be okay with this part, but I'm not happy about these denominators. They're not the same, so it makes it more difficult. So what I need to do is find an equivalent fraction. And I'm going to use this quarter to find an equivalent fraction. If I've got 1/4, I need to convert it into 16ths. Let's see how I can do that. So, have a little think. How would I get from 4 to 16? Oh, I'd multiply by 4. There we go. And whatever I do to the bottom of a fraction, I need to do to the top to keep it an equivalent fraction. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. And 4/16 is equal to 1/4. So, now I can do 4/16 subtract 1/16. The denominator is the same. This is simple now. So, the denominator, still 16ths. 4 subtract 1 is 3. So 1/4 subtract 1/16 was 3/16. Let's take a look at another example.